It's finally that cheerful time of the year. It's time for celebrations and joy. It's December and Christmas time. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renita. Let's make Kuswar Kidiyo. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add maida or all-purpose flour into your kneading bowl. Add salt and ghee. Although you can skip ghee, I'd suggest you add it. It prevents kidiyo from soaking in excess oil while frying. Mix well and add water. Do not add entire proportion of water mentioned in the recipe. Add little by little as needed. Initially mix it with a spoon, and once it's all sticky and lumpy, use your clean hands and start kneading it. The dough for kidiyo is ready. So let's start the curling process. You'll need a fork to curl kidiyo. Make small marble-sized ball of the dough and flatten the dough over the fork to form a thin patch. Now start rolling it from one side using a little pressure on your fingertip so that the dough gets the impression of the fork. Place the curl on a lightly greased plate. Continue the process to make more curls until all the dough is used up. Once almost all the curls are ready, keep them aside and let's heat oil for deep frying. Heat oil in your pan on a medium-high flame. Once the oil has heated enough, add curls one by one as much as the pan can hold. Be careful not to splatter oil onto your face. Reduce the flame a little if you think it's needed. Keep stirring and fry them until they turn golden in color. It might take 5 minutes per batch to get golden. Do not let them brown too much. Use a slotted spoon to drain off the excess oil. and transfer it into an absorbent kitchen tissue. Follow the same process with all the rolled out curls and let them cool down. Once cooled down, you can have them right away, or you can sugar coat them to make them even more tastier. Let's see how to make sugar coating mix. Add half cup of sugar into your clean blender. Add some cardamom pods for flavoring and blend it until it forms fine powder. Now all you got to do is sprinkle this powdered sugar onto your fried kidiyo and coat them well. That's how simple and easy it is to make kuswar. I hope you found this recipe useful and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.